Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do shuffle man combs. Now, knowing how to do a shuffle combs would be really good because that's the combs for the lady, and this actually starts with the combs for the ladies. You'd normally do them because you don't normally go for the guy ones before you've done any lady ones. I'll put a link to that move in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at it or recap it, if you've done it before, it'll be easy for you to find. We're going to do this a couple of ways so you can see it from a couple of different angles. So we'll show you first. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that's one way around. We do exactly the same thing at the other way around, so you get the other view. So it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so let's break it down. First off, you need to be able to do a shuffle, which is what you would have done by learning shuffle combs. So it starts just like the standard shuffle combs. We're going to go back 2 hands. We're going to go left, we're going to go right, just like the normal shuffle combs. Guys are going to come forwards, ladies are going to go back as we comb the lady, and back to the side picking up the hand. Then we guys go in front with the right, ladies go behind, and we go comb the lady and back. This is where it changes. This time we're going to bring the lady in front, the guys are going to go behind, left hand goes over the guy, and back to the middle. And this time the guy goes behind and the lady goes in front, over the guy. And you could do repeats. You could go back to the lady, you could do more combs for the guy. But what we're actually going to do from here is the guys are going to be heading forwards and walking around to the left. As we start a return, we're going to pick up the lady's back with the right arm. We're going to head back across behind the lady and scoop the lady past, so that we've got a return that also becomes a slide away as well. So let's do that again from this side, get the other side view, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back to 2 hands, 1, we go left, 2, right, 3, comb the lady, 4, pick up the hand, 5, comb the lady, 6, pick up the hand, 7, comb the guy, 8, pick up the hand, 1, comb the guy, 2, returning 3, scooping 4, and face 5. Okay. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, shuffle man combs. We go back, left, right, ladies, collect, guys, collect, guys, collect, guys, return, scoop, and look. And that's the whole thing. I hope you find that useful. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. Notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out if you've got notifications turned on. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.